Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure by now you guys are going to be able to tell that I've done a couple of videos in this attire, but that's okay. What I got for you guys today is like another kind of subscription service, except that this one is called like a club. So this is LIVEGLAM, and they have a shadow club, a lippy club, and what was the other one? I don't remember if it was like a blush club or something like that. And of course, I don't remember the price because I didn't come prepared today, like my olden times. So yeah, I thought I would just jump on this and see how it was. So I became a member of the Shadow Club. So you always get a palette. I can't remember if this is every single month. I believe it is every single month. And you get an eyeshadow palette every month. And with a code, I was also able to get a LIPPIE. And the best part was that I was also able to choose which palette I wanted. Now, I'm not exactly sure if that's exactly how this functions every single month, or if they ever like surprise you sometimes. I'm not really sure. But I thought it was great. I really liked the idea, and I think I will stay subscribed to this, even though like I'm full of eyeshadow palettes, but I just like the idea. I thought it was cool. And I'm not really sure now if you only get a LIPPIE once with the code, or if you're gonna be getting a LIPPIE every single month, but I definitely will make annotations, guys, so you guys know. And if you guys are interested, of course, I'll leave a link down below for you guys because I thought it was super interesting. So this is the box. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So I got the Whimsical Garden palette and a LIPPIE. Very cute. So it says, this palette will give you butterflies. Get ready to be swept away with our brand new Shadow Me palette, Whimsical Garden. This whimsy palette includes 10 matte shades that will be your new soul sisters and give your heart flutters. You'll blossom and fly high with a stunning range of warm earthy tones. Whether you want to wing it or go through a glam metamorphosis like a caterpillar in its cocoon, we can't even imagine what beautiful looks you're gonna come up with. After you stop and smell the roses with this palette, make sure to tag us in your looks on Instagram so we can see how you transformed these shades. So that is your little card that you get with it. I really liked the concept. I thought it was super cool. So this is it right here. Very cute packaging. Like, look how cute that is. Very adorable. And then you get these gorgeous shades, like absolutely gorgeous. You get a nice mirror here, and then you get these beautiful shades. Love it. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful palette. So you get the shades, the names are having to do with butterflies, of course. So it's Flutters, Fly High, Cocoon, Caterpillar, Whimsy, Blossom, Imagine, Metamorphosis, Soul, and Wing It. Guys, come on. And I should probably swatch these for you. They feel nice and soft. So these are all matte shades. This is Flutters, Fly High, Cocoon, and Caterpillar. Very pretty shades. And then on the bottom, oh no, wait, we're still missing other ones. Give me a second. So we've got Whimsy, Blossom, Imagine, and Metamorphosis. Whimsy, Blossom, Imagine, and Metamorphosis. Very nice neutral palette with like pop here and there. So that's those colors along here. And then the last two colors are Soul and Wing It. So we've got Soul and Wing It. And that's these two colors right here. Very pretty colors on this palette. Really nice. I like it. So I'm very happy with this club so far. And then let's see the LIPPIE that I got. First of all, the packaging is to die for, because this is me. Like, Look how beautiful this is. Pink with all these like cute little hearts. Oh my God, so me. And then this is a matte color, and it's in the color Kissaholic. And let's swatch it like over here. Oh yeah, right up my alley. Beautiful lip color. That's absolutely gorgeous. So the Live Glam Eyeshadow Club has 2 thumbs up for me so far. I will definitely continue to be subscribed to it. I definitely like it. And I think it's something you should try out. I think it's completely worth it. Look at the beautiful shadow colors, that lip color, like absolutely wonderful. I highly recommend it, guys. So let me know what you guys think. I'm like loving discovering all these new boxes and clubs and subscriptions and all this stuff. Like I'm loving it, and I'm loving sharing it with you guys the most, of course. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hit the notifications bell. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.